In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Apple Pay on Mac. Let's start right on your Mac desktop. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then open System Settings. This is where you manage most of your device preferences, including Apple Pay. If you're signed in with your Apple ID on your Mac, this process will be quick and seamless. In the sidebar, scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay and click it. This is your hub for managing payment methods on your Mac. If you've used Apple Pay on your iPhone before, you may see some familiar options here and you'll be able to keep everything in sync across devices. Next, click Add Card. You'll be offered two main choices. Pick a card that's already linked to your Apple ID or select Add a different card if you want to add something new. When you add a card, follow the on-screen setup and verification steps. Depending on your bank, you might be asked for a one-time code or to confirm details through your banking app. Take a moment to double check the name and billing address so it matches your bank's records. This helps avoid verification delays. Once you're done, your card or cards will appear in the Wallet and Apple Pay list. Seeing them here confirms everything is ready. You can also set a default card and manage options like shipping addresses and contact info, which will speed up checkout later. Now let's use Apple Pay on the web. Open Safari and head to a website that supports Apple Pay. You'll usually see a black Apple Pay button at checkout. Add your items to the cart, proceed to checkout, and click the Apple Pay button to bring up the payment sheet. Before you pay, review your card, shipping address, and contact details. If something looks off, you can edit it right in the sheet. When everything is correct, confirm the payment. On a Mac with Touch ID, simply place your finger on the Touch ID sensor. If your Mac doesn't have Touch ID, you'll see a prompt to confirm the payment on a nearby iPhone or Apple Watch signed in with the same Apple ID. Follow the prompt and you're done. Quick recap: System Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, Add Card, Safari Checkout, Apple Pay, Touch ID to confirm. That's all it takes to set up and use Apple Pay on your Mac for fast, secure checkouts, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.